Hello everyone, welcome to Santoshi's kitchen. Today we are going to make chili chicken. Take 2 pounds of chicken breast meat and cut it into small pieces. Add 3 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Add half a teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of powdered black pepper, 1 egg. Mix the contents well. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Coat the chicken with cornstarch. Heat oil in a wok. When the oil is hot, add the marinated chicken pieces and deep fry until golden brown in color. Heat a wok on the stove and add 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Add 2 cups of cubed onions, 2 cups of cubed bell peppers, and 1 tablespoon of Thai green chili cut into 1-inch pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Mix the contents and cook in medium heat for 2 minutes. Add the fried chicken into the wok and add some salt if needed. Cook the contents in medium heat for 2 minutes.